Are you tired of losing money trading cryptocurrencies? Sign up for my free trading AI with over 50% monthly return on your investment. Link is in the description. SHIB News today has Samsung's plan to make Shiba Inus just cost $3. Chimino was the most popular cryptocurrency in your wallets over the previous week, and a recent study by an on-chain analytics company revealed that the baby boomer age finds banking to be uninteresting. On the internet of programmable money, though, finance is entertaining. Many people would undoubtedly consider Bitcoin as the most popular initial coin for new crypto users over the previous week if asked, but it doesn't appear to be the case. Peer-to-peer network computer, the second most valuable cryptocurrency by market cap, is also not it. We will discuss the latest Samsung method for turning Shiba Eaters into $3 token in this video. Today's Shiba Inu news. If you want to read our most recent articles on Shiba Inu price forecasts and professional analysis, don't forget to smash the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel. Let's get started with the video on chain data Nansen found, which shows Shiba Inu was the most often used non-stable coin digital asset for newly filled crypto wallets during the previous 7 days. SHIB tokens worth more than $56 million were transferred into 12,000 new wallets by Nansen during that time. The ERC20 token, rather than stable currencies, was the most prevalent cryptocurrency to show up in these balances, according to Nansen. Shiba Inu experienced a minor correction in step with the market. The downturn was accompanied by a little decline in stock prices after a run of gains in January. The rout wrapped ever on Uniswap was attributed by analysts and pundits to disappointing economic data and more hawkish Fed discussion about interest rates. By volume, Shiba Inu Swap is the most important trading partner for SHIB. Nance, however, has the most affordable new and SHIB balances. Recent false rumors claim that Nance has removed Shiba Inu solely from the centralized cryptocurrency exchange. Nonetheless, today several trading pairs that featured SHIB were removed. The freshly revealed Jabaria is keenly anticipated by SHIB fans. A SHIB-based Ethereum Layer 2 ecosystem for the distribution of decentralized apps. The largest Ethereum whales in the world have seen their Shiba Inu holdings increase by hundreds of millions of dollars in less than a week, according to new data. The top 1,000 ETH whales have consumed $422 million worth of the meme assets since January 17, according to whale-serving site Whale Data. The same whales reportedly raised their holdings in SHIB, a Dogecoin rival, by a startling 151% from the previous estimate of $168 million. Merely 4 days. Shiba Inu is currently the digital asset that the top 1,002 whales are holding the most, according to Whale Analytics, thanks to its acquisition frenzy. The investor cohort's collective SHIB holdings currently total $584 million. The high net worth traders also own $55 million worth of interoperable blockchain QuantQ, $65 million worth of Oracle provider Chainlink, $58 million apiece. Decentralized exchange Uniswap Uni, and deflashing every cryptobit, and $65 million worth of Uniswap Uni. The price of the meme token increased from $0.00001045 on January 17 to a peak of $0.00001 to $10. This may have been influenced by the whale activity, which is concentrated around CBNO. Since then, the value of SHIB has increased and now ranges from $0.000012 to $6. When the environment prepares for the beta release of Shibarium, a projected Layer 2 for the Doge competitor, the accumulation of SHIB occurs similar to the arbitrage and optimism of Polygon Matic. The protocol will be a Layer 2 network built on Ethereum. The recent increase in cryptocurrency has been especially beneficial for OP Shiba Inu coin. Shibarium's price increased once more over the past 7 days, increasing by more over 20% in value. In the upcoming months, many investors anticipate significant increases. Here's an illustration. John Richmond, an English-Italian fashion designer, has collaborated with a variety of famous people, including the Rolling Stones, Madonna, and Gwen Stefani. The clothes designer is now concentrating on Web3. The new strategy is a result of the ideals decentralization delivers to the global community. According to Richmond Street, the revolutionary punk rock movement and the groundbreaking Web3 have a lot in common. Similar to the punk rock movement of the 1980s in the UK, the well-known stylist notes that it symbolizes a strong energy and a yearning for change. Rock and roll has always been about pushing boundaries, challenging the existing quo, and giving a voice to those who are oppressed and disenfranchised. The Web3 community and artists are both motivated by the same force. Previous projects with John Richmond are deserving of a star lineup. He recently made public a Vogue magazine cover featuring Snoop Dogg. The well-known hip-hop artist gave the world of fashion a hint of the West Coast. John Richmond's notion to experiment with many styles is wonderfully complemented by the rebellious street style with a dash of the classical. The Snoop Dogg Vogue cover story brought joy to the SHIB Army. In response, a few SHIB Army soldiers tweeted Satoshi Kusama, the project's lead developer. SHIB the Metaverse is eventually an upcoming web project by the Shiba Inu's developer team, even if Snoop Dogg could perform there. It will be launched soon. SHIB the Metaverse would be honored to have you, am I right? #SHIB Army at SHIB Token at SHIB the MVP at Satoshi Kusama. But in order for SHIB the Metaverse to launch, Shibarium, the Layer 2 scaling solution, must launch first with stunning looks or Snoop Dogg's concert on Ryoshi Plaza. Might we also say that nobody has spoken? As official accounts of the Shiba Inu ecosystem and core developers Satoshi Kusama give hints about the anticipated time, the Shiba Inu community eagerly anticipates the blockchain debut of the Shibarium layer. Shiba Inu is pulling me up now since I have a straighter status. Satoshi Kusama, the primary developer for Shiba Inu, updated his Twitter bio and included information about the rumored debut of the Shibarium layer to blockchain on February 14th, or Valentine's Day, according to SHIB Army. The updated biography talks about taking care of the pine tree of life and picking up the flute rapidly before tying a bow around a heart-shaped box with the hashtag Somalia. A tweet on January 20th depicted a Shiba Inu holding a whale. The Shiba Inu community has speculated that the new bio may refer to the beta launch of Shibarium on February 14th, which is Valentine's Day. The release of materials on fundamental principles and the Bone Gas token on Shibarium's official Twitter account suggests that the launch is approaching, even though their preparation for it is not yet complete. Shibarium development activity has grown as well, according to GitHub data. The launch could, however, be postponed owing to unanticipated events, as had previously occurred. In the meantime, the social climate has reached an all-time high. Shiba Inu and Bone tokens draw whale accumulation, and the burn rate for SHIBs has increased. According to a study by blockchain security pioneers Seratic, Chimino is the second most secure cryptocurrency project. In response to interest from whales and investors, the price of a Bone Shiba swap once reached $43, up more than 8% in the previous day. According to a statement from Samsung Electronics, Samsung Wallet will now be accessible in 8 other nations. The software company with headquarters in South Korea disclosed that it might roll out the Wallet app in countries including Singapore, Australia, Brazil, Hong Kong, Canada, India, Malaysia, and Taiwan. By the end of January, support for the Samsung Wallet will be available in these nations. However, the business stated in a recent statement that the precise launch date would fluctuate and depend on user devices and the particular market. In 2022, Samsung released the Wallet app. Support for the initiative has grown since it was unveiled in June, rising to 21 countries as of the most recent statement. Users of Samsung Galaxy devices in Korea, the UK, and the US can currently download the Samsung Wallet app. Bahrain, China, Denmark, Spain, Finland, France, Germany, Italy, Kazakhstan, Kuwait, the Netherlands, the United Arab Emirates, Oman, Qatar, South Africa, Sweden, Switzerland, and Vietnam. More than just a payment system, the app has safety safeguards that are strengthened by Samsung Knox, a built-in proprietary security platform, and also interfaces with the Samsung blockchain wallet. Very nicely. The Wallet app from Samsung is not crypto-specific. It can be used by users with supported devices to monitor their digital asset portfolio. This is made possible via the Wallet's UI, which gives users access to Bitcoin pricing from several exchanges. The day is over now. To view our most recent content, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to the channel.